Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an account on OctaFX. If you're looking to sign up, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, go to your App Store or Play Store and download the OctaFX app. Once the app is installed, open it. Now, you'll need to create an account. You have a few options. You can sign up using Facebook, Google, or your Apple account. For this tutorial, I'll be using my Google account. Next, I'll select one of my email addresses and verify my passkey, which is essentially my password. Once that's done, the account creation process will begin. It may take a few moments to load, so just be patient. Once it's ready, click on Continue to proceed and sign into OctaFX. Now you'll need to complete your profile by filling in some basic details. Enter your first name, last name, country of residence, and phone number. You'll also see a section asking about your trading experience. Go ahead and answer that as needed. After that, confirm your details by clicking the Confirm button. And there you have it. Your OctaFX account has been successfully created. You can now access it at the bottom of the screen. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.